friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make 3 types of dosa with 3 types of fillings. So first we will soak the rice and the dal. Here I have taken methi seeds. It is 1 teaspoon of methi seed. I will be taking 3 cups of rice. First we will soak all this rice and dal. So 3 cups, 1 cup of urad dal, half cup of tur dal. So here I have taken 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, 3 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal, half cup of tur dal. And first I will wash it for 4 to 5 times, and then I will soak it. I always take whichever rice is available at home. Here I have taken basmati rice. Friends, I have washed the dal and the rice properly for 4 times, and now I will soak it for 5 to 6 hours. Friends, after soaking the dal and the rice for more than 5 hours, I have grinded it into fine paste by adding water in it. Now I will add half cup of suji, that is semolina, in it, and again I will grind it for few minutes. Here I have grind the dal and the rice properly by adding little water. Now I will add baking soda, that is khane ka soda, and salt in it, and then we will keep it for fermentation for 8 to 9 hours. Suji is also added to the batter. Now I am adding little less than 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I will add salt. Salt you can add as per your taste. And now I will mix it well. Friends, you can see the consistency. While grinding I had added little water. Now I will cover it with the lid, and we will keep it for fermentation for 8 to 9 hours. Friends, our batter is fermented nicely. I have removed the batter in another vessel. Here I have not taken the full batter, I have kept little batter for my idli. So now this batter is ready. It took nearly 10 hours. As it is winter, it takes little more time to get fermented. So now we will start with the recipe. We are going to make the dosa in the roti maker. As my roti maker is not useful for me to make rotis, the rotis are not coming properly. So I thought I will make dosa in this roti maker. Friends, this electric roti maker is on now. Let it get hot properly. Now the plate is hot. Now I will spread the batter. I have spread the batter nicely. Now let it get crispy from one side. Then we will change the side of the dosa. Within few seconds, it gets crispy from one side. Now let it get crispy from the another side. Then we will remove the dosa. Friends, for the filling I have taken 1 bowl of desiccated coconut. This is the sweet filling. I will be taking half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half cup of milk powder, Friends, now I will add milk made. I will take first half cup. And later I will add half cup. Now I will mix it well. Friends, now I will add milk made. It is little more than half cup. And I will mix it nicely. Now I have added 2 teaspoons of tutti frutti. Now I will mix it properly, and then the sweet filling for our dosa is ready. Friends, we are going to make dosa on the roti maker. It is an electric roti maker. Now it is getting hot. As it gets hot, I will add the batter. Now it's hot. I have added the batter. I am spreading it evenly. The roti maker is on maximum speed. As and when required, I will reduce the speed. Now I will allow it to cook from one side. It should get dry from this side. Friends, we can see that it has dried from this side. Now I will apply little oil. Now I am adding the sweet filling on the dosa. Now I will fold it from this side and the other side also. Friends, you can see it has become crispy. Now it's ready. I will remove it. In the same way I will do the another sweet dosa also. But before putting the another dosa batter, we will wipe the roti maker with a tissue. Be careful while wiping because the roti maker is too much hot. I will make the another dosa also in the same way. Here I have made the video fast. Friends, I have folded from one side. The other side also. It has become crispy. Now I will remove it. It is ready. Now we will make the second type of dosa. Here is the second type of filling. For that I have taken some vegetables. I have taken 1 cup of cabbage which I have chopped. Half cup of grated carrot. 1 chili which is not that much spicy. It is less spicy. 1 small potato which I have boiled it and I have mashed it. This is the filling for our second type of dosa. So we are going to add chili garlic sauce. So it is nearly 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. You can add 1 more teaspoon also, but I like 2 teaspoons. So I have added 2 teaspoons. Half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. You can adjust the soya sauce according to your taste. I have added salt as per my taste. I will add half teaspoon of chili powder. Now we will mix it well. Friends, here I have increased the speed of the video. Friends, friends, here I have mixed all the ingredients properly. Now I will add coriander leaves. We have to mix it again. So here our vegetable stuffing is ready for our second type of dosa. Our roti maker is getting hot. Now it's hot. I will add the batter. We have to spread the batter evenly. Let it get cooked for few seconds. As it gets little dry, then we will add the vegetable stuffing. Now I will add little oil on the edges. Now I will add the stuffing, vegetable stuffing. Then we are going to add mozzarella cheese. Now we will fold it from one side. It has turned crispy. Now I will fold it from the other side. Be careful, the roti maker is very hot. Friends, you can see the dosa has become crispy. Now it's ready. I will remove it. And we will make the other dosa also in the same way. First I have put the batter. I have added oil. As it gets dry from the upper side, I will add the vegetables and the mozzarella cheese. Now I will fold it from one side. Here also you can see it has become crispy. Now it's ready. I will remove it. Friends, now we are going to prepare the third type of dosa. First I will spread the batter on the roti maker. We have to spread the batter evenly. Now I am adding mozzarella cheese in the center. In the beginning I had prepared one dosa, so I will keep the dosa. I will not add cheese on the edges. Now I am going to add cheese spread, 1 teaspoon of cheese spread. Then I will use chili garlic sauce on it. Now we will spread it. You can take the sauce as per your requirement. I am spreading the sauce in between. For me this much sauce is enough. If you want it little more spicy, you can add the chili garlic sauce. Now I am folding it from one side. Now we have to fold it in the same way as we did before. You can see the dosa has become crispy. Now it's ready. I will remove it. If the roti maker is too much hot, we can reduce the temperature. We can put it on minimum speed. Now again I have spread that batter. In the same way we will do the another dosa also. First I will put the mozzarella cheese. Then I will place one more dosa over this dosa. I am not putting the cheese on the edges. I have placed another dosa on it. Now I am adding cheese. I will be adding chili garlic sauce. Now we will spread it. The flavor of chili garlic sauce is very nice instead of tomato ketchup. So I am using the red chili garlic sauce. Now again I will fold it from one side. Before that I have put little oil. It has become crispier from the bottom. I will fold it from the other side also. Friends, the dosa is ready. Now I will remove it. Friends, our 3 types of dosa are ready. Now I will serve them. Friends, I have served the 3 types of dosa. Here is the sweet dosa. This is the cheese dosa. And this is the cheese and vegetable dosa. I have served it with sauce. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.